It all starts here. At dawn, ripe cocoa pods hang heavy in the tropical light. Molten chocolate flows into molds with perfect precision. Fresh cocoa beans tumble through giant roasting drums. Bars wrapped and stacked, ready for shipment worldwide. Cocoa pods are harvested by hand, revealing bitter beans inside. Beans are cleaned and sorted on vibrating conveyor belts. Roasting transforms beans, unlocking deep flavors and aromas. But here's what most people don't realize. Roasting times vary by bean type. Cracking and winnowing separate shells from nibs with precision. Workers inspect NIB quality before grinding begins. Grinding nibs produces thick, rich cocoa liquor. Mixing blends cocoa liquor with sugar and milk powder precisely. Conching refines texture and flavor over hours of continuous mixing. Save the best moment for last. Keep watching as chocolate cools perfectly. Molten chocolate flows into bar molds, setting into shape fast. Cooling tunnels solidify bars under controlled temperatures. Bars eject smoothly from molds, retaining sharp detail. Bars move quickly to automated wrapping stations. Wrapping machines fold and seal bars with precision and speed. Quality control workers verify wrapper seals and bar integrity. One machine does the work of 200 humans in packaging speed. The entire factory hums with synchronized motion and precision. Bars glide onto pallets ready for global distribution. Final checks ensure every bar meets strict quality standards. Robotic arms wrap pallets tightly for transport stability. Finished pallets move to loading docks for worldwide shipment. Next, we'll show how confectionery machinery is built. But that's another factory.